Ivy, a 12-year-old African-American girl in 1942 Mississippi, navigates life during the Great Migration. Her journal reveals her struggles with money problems, school difficulties, unfair treatment, and family conflicts. These challenges reflect the broader experiences of many African-American families seeking better opportunities during this historical period. Ivy's family are sharecroppers, renting land from Mr. Greenfield, a white businessman. They pay rent by giving him a large part of their cotton crop. This system traps them in debt, as they must also buy seeds and tools from his store. Ivy and her siblings often miss school to help with farming tasks. In Ivy's town, segregation dictates that black and white children attend separate schools. Ivy's school is 1.5 miles away with a hole in the roof, while the white children's school is just 0.5 miles away and in good condition. Jim Crow laws enforce this separation, affecting schools, restaurants, and public facilities, denying equal opportunities. Jim Crow laws enforced racial segregation, affecting daily life and opportunities for black people. Public spaces like theaters and buses had separate sections, and even water fountains were divided. These laws instilled fear, as speaking out could lead to harm. Ivy's family received hopeful news from Uncle Eugene, who moved from Mississippi to Los Angeles. He secured a job in an airplane factory, highlighting opportunities for women and African Americans. This was significant as Mississippi's stores and factories often refused to hire black workers, offering a glimpse of better prospects elsewhere. The Great Migration saw millions of African Americans move from the South to other United States regions between 1916 and 1970. They sought better factory jobs, improved education with more resources, and freedom from segregation, allowing access to any facility. This movement was pivotal in reshaping opportunities and living conditions for black communities. President Franklin Roosevelt's Executive Order 8802 prohibited discrimination in companies producing military equipment. This landmark order created fair job opportunities for black workers, including Ivy's Uncle Eugene, who secured a job in a California airplane factory. A significant step towards equality, though it did not completely end segregation. Ivy dreams of equal rights and opportunities, aspiring to attend a good school and enjoy the same privileges as others. Inspired by Uncle Eugene's new life in California, her family hopes to escape sharecropping and segregation. Ivy's story reflects the Great Migration, where millions sought better lives. What if Ivy's family moved to California?